Hello, welcome. Welcome to your course, the podcast story course for Egyptian Arabic. This course mainly for A1 or A1 plus, someone who knows words, sentences, but unfortunately cannot speak and wants more daily routine things so he can do each day to improve his speaking and listening skills, of course. So this course simply depending on Arabic. So everything is in Arabic. The translation, the everything is in Arabic, and I want you to live Arabic language. Now I will talk to you about what will you get from the course. First, you will get a video for the story. In this video, I'm speaking in slow way. So I'm explaining the story. You will see the pictures around me and so on. So you will understand the story. I don't expect from you to 100% understand the story and each word. Otherwise, خلاص, this course is not for you. And tell me, Ali, I understand every word and each word. So خلاص, this course is not for me. I expect from you to understand 20, 30, maximum 30, 50% from the video. Then you will have the story pictures, the story itself. In the story itself, you will find the story in Arabic and English, in Arabic and Franco, and of course with pictures. And at the end, you will find the English version. ماشي? So now you watch the video and then you open the story and try to listen again 2 times or something, and then by the end try to read the story in English. Okay, now reading the story in English, try to make it just 1, 2 maximum, 3 maximum, 3 times maximum, so you completely understand the story. And then what is next? After you are reading and you watch the video and you read the story, listen to the audios. We have 2 audios. Slow audio where I'm speaking like Noor bint Masri, Noor bint, and so on. So I'm speaking in a very slow way, so you can grasp, you can notice how I speak. You can try to imitate me. Pause, repeat, read it slow as I'm saying, so you make sure every word is being spoken clearly and effectively. So this audio, you can live with it, like, you know, you can in the car, in the gym, home alone, walking, wherever and whenever, you can just try to practice with it. And then the natural speed audio. The natural speed audio is simply an audio where if I'm telling my friends the story, so I will tell him Noor bint Masriya عندها كذا, she's doing this and this and this and this. So I'm not saying in a slow way, I'm saying it in a natural way. So now we have the video, we have the story pictures or the story itself, and we have the audio, the slow one and the natural one. Then we have the explanation plus verb conjugation. I believe this part is the most important. Okay, why? For each sentence you will find Arabic, English and Franco, you'll find each word being explained. So what means the word bint, what means the word Masriya, if it's masculine and feminine and so on. Then you will get all the words again in a table for if it's masculine or feminine. And if it's feminine, this is the masculine one, and this is the plural one. Masculine, feminine, plural. If it doesn't have any, so خلاص, here is the word and the meaning in English and the word in Franco. And then you will get verb conjugation. Many people in the A1 level, they want a library for verb conjugations, and here is it. So the verb conjugation for each one. So يسكن, أنا بسكن فيه, أنت بتسكن, أنا بصحى, أنت بتصحى, هي بتصحى, أنت بتصحي, and so on. And then at the end you will get some patterns that we use. So I want you to get to know these patterns. Okay. Then after reading the explanation and verb conjugation and try to study them, go to the tasks. Now in the tasks you have tasks in Arabic. If you are a person who can read Arabic, I recommend this for you. If you don't know how to read Arabic, which is okay, but I believe reading Arabic is very important. So if you don't know how to read Arabic, it's okay. You can use the Franco and English version. You will find like true and false. You will find many exercises, yes or no. Try to read it and answer without, of course, looking back to the thing. By the end of the tasks, you will find the most important task for me, which is talk about yourself. I want you in this task to record yourself. Either record in a video or record audio. I believe video is gonna be much more better, and send us this video. And of course, all your tasks, after you finish them, send us the tasks so we can correct it and send you the correct version of the tasks. Of course, if you have any questions, you can just send me, hey Ali, what does this mean? Why this is here? If you want something extra to be added to the course, tell me, Ali, I wish I could have something like this inside the course. I'm all ears. I would be very happy to do that. So steps: simply watch the video, notice everything, then read the story from the PDF, then listen to the slow audio here and there. Always when you're listening or watching, pause and repeat. Pause and repeat. Make this works. Also, then read the explanation and verb conjugations once. You will, like, get to know, like, oh, this is how I can explain this. This is how I can do this. And then go to the tasks, solve all your tasks. If there is any spoken tasks, do them in a record and send them. The most important task for me, Ali, the last one, because I want to see you speaking without even looking at the pages. I want to see you talking about yourself without looking at the words and sentences. And don't forget, if you have any questions, just send me. Welcome again to your course, and hopefully by the end of this course, you will feel much more confident when speaking. See you. Assalamu.